episode, we travel from Mataranka to Katherine. Whilst there, we catch up with a friend, stock up at Woolies, and the highlight, of course, is an afternoon cruise in the Nitmiluk Gorge. We're at the Katherine Museum, and of course the first thing we have to go and look at is all the rusty stuff. Old farm machinery, but there's some old cars here. There might be an old Humber. We've got some Humber fans among our group, so let's have a look. Oh, nice old bus too.
You know the ones where they use them to get hold of the buffalo?
Oh yeah, the one with the big bull bars on it.
Yeah, I think. And the side bars.
Yeah. So Toyota. What have we got here? Dodge, and a Thames Raider or Grader. Very good. So are they Humbers? This has got super something on the side. Oh, it looks like it's been a bash vehicle, doesn't it?
Hey?
Looks like it's been maybe a bash vehicle.
Yeah, something like that, or a,
with all the stuff on the side of it.
I don't know whether it's a Humber or not, but good chance.
RAAF.
It's got a Humber
See
roof.
how it's got RAAF? It's probably an RAAF
It's
bash
got a
car.
Humber roof as well.
We're still at the Katherine Museum, and this is the Dr. Clyde Fenton plane, which they have on exhibition. Beautiful and cool in here. That gigantic fan up there, just keeping it lovely, along with some air conditioning. We're at the Nitmiluk National Park, formerly known as Katherine Gorge. We're going to do the walk to the lookout, and then by the time we've done that and come back, we've got a 4 o'clock boat trip. Okay, that's the way we want to go, to the Barraway Lookout. It would be helpful if they put the distance on these signs. Up to the lookout.
These steps are just so steep. Anyhow, as they say, adventure has no age limit. Bloody close though. Wow. Whew. Worth the walk. Excuse the breathing. That was hard work.
Here we go on our Nitmiluk Gorge tour. And off we go. Which direction we're going. Soon find out. To snag seats at the very front of the boat. We'll probably get blown to bits, but the view will be great.
In this heat, I don't mind.
No. Away we go.
I'll just keep my arm.
Alright, g'day everyone. Welcome to Nitmiluk National Park, home to the Darwin people. My name is Landon, and I'll be your tour guide for this afternoon. I do apologise for the tour being slightly late. I will still try my best to give you the 2 hours.
Down at the one section of the Katherine Springs, thermal springs, just deciding whether it's safe to go in the water. It's quite an easy walk down here, all paved. The source of the Katherine Springs. Tepid springs, hot springs, but not so hot. That's good, because it doesn't really need to be that hot, does it? to Katherine for this first time around, and we'll return there in future episodes, twice more during this trip. Next episode we'll be visiting Timber Creek, Bullita Station in the Gregory National Park, and the beautiful Lake Argyle just inside the Western Australian state. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our little video, please give us a like and subscribe to see more of our journeys. Cheers.